Is your closet bursting at the seams while you still can't find anything to wear? In the next 12 minutes, I'll reveal the professional organizer's secret that luxury hotels use to triple their closet space, plus the one design mistake that's costing you 40% of your storage capacity. But here's the game changer. There's a revolutionary wardrobe design principle that transforms even the smallest closet into an organized haven. Stay until the end because I'll share a bonus tip that costs nothing but saves you hours every week. Let's start with the foundation of effective wardrobe and closet design. According to research from the National Association of Professional Organizers, most people wear only 20% of their clothes 80% of the time. This is your first major design idea, implementing the 80-20 rule. Here's how this closet organization strategy works. Conduct a thorough wardrobe audit before designing your space. Studies show that the average person hoards clothes they haven't worn in over a year, taking up valuable real estate. When planning your custom closet design, allocate prime space, eye level, easy reach for that 20% you actually wear. This simple shift in closet layout planning immediately improves functionality. Now let's talk about vertical space maximization. Interior designers recommend utilizing every inch from floor to ceiling. Research from closet design companies shows that vertical storage solutions can increase capacity by up to 50%. Install shelving units that extend to the ceiling, use the space above your hanging clothes for bins or less used items, and don't forget the back of your closet door. It's prime real estate for accessories, shoes, or jewelry storage. Design idea number 3 is the double hanging rod system, and it's a complete game changer for wardrobe organization. According to closet design experts, most people waste the lower half of their closet space. By installing a second rod below your existing one, you can instantly double your hanging capacity for shorter items like shirts, blouses, skirts, and folded pants. Here's the science behind it. The average dress shirt or blouse requires only 38 to 42 inches of vertical space. Traditional single-rod closets typically provide 60 to 72 inches, leaving 20 to 30 inches of dead space below. Professional closet designers recommend positioning your upper rod at 80 inches and lower rod at 40 inches, and for optimal accessibility and storage efficiency. Moving to design. Idea 4. Pull out accessories and hardware. Research in ergonomic design shows that pull-out features reduce strain and increase accessibility by 60%. Consider installing pull-out pant racks, tie racks, belt organizers, and jewelry drawers. These sliding mechanisms bring items to you rather than forcing you to dig through stacked piles. The real innovation here is soft close hardware. Studies in user experience design demonstrate that soft close mechanisms not only protect your clothing and accessories from damage, but also extend the lifespan of your closet system by reducing wear and tear on hinges and slides. Design idea number 5 focuses on custom drawer dividers and inserts. The Container Store reports that drawer organization systems increase storage efficiency by 35%. But here's what most people miss. Custom dividers should be adjustable. Your storage needs change with seasons, lifestyle shifts, and wardrobe evolution. Invest in modular drawer divider systems made from bamboo, acrylic, or fabric-lined materials. Research shows that visibility is key to maintaining organization. If you can see every item at a glance, you're 75% more likely to maintain the system long-term. Create dedicated sections for underwear, socks, accessories, and folded items using these dividers. Let's illuminate the path to better closet design, literally. Design idea 6 is LED strip lighting integration, and it's backed by fascinating research. The Lighting Research Center found that proper closet lighting improves color discrimination by 40% and reduces the time spent searching for items by nearly half. Install LED strip lights along closet rods, under shelves, and inside drawers. Choose lights with a color rendering index, CRI, of 90 or above to accurately represent your clothing colors. This prevents those frustrating moments when you think you're wearing navy but it's actually black. The temperature of your lighting matters too. Interior designers recommend 3000 Kelvin to 4000 Kelvin for closet spaces, warm enough to be inviting but cool enough for accurate color representation. LED strips are energy efficient, lasting up to 50,000 hours, which means you'll rarely need to replace them. Design Idea 7 takes lighting further with motion sensor technology. Smart closet designs now incorporate motion-activated lighting systems that illuminate when you open the door and turn off automatically after you leave. This technology isn't just convenient, it's practical. Studies show that automatic lighting systems reduce energy consumption by 30% compared to manual switches because lights are never accidentally left on. Now, let's discuss materials and aesthetics. Design Idea 8 focuses on sustainable closet materials, which is increasingly important to homeowners. According to green building research, sustainable materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metal not only benefit the environment but often outlast traditional materials. Bamboo grows incredibly fast, up to 3 feet per day, making it one of the most renewable resources for closet systems. It's also naturally moisture resistant and antimicrobial, perfect for closet environments. Reclaimed wood adds character and warmth while reducing demand for new lumber. These materials typically cost 10 to 20% more upfront, but save money long-term through durability and timeless aesthetic appeal. Consider the finish on your materials too. Professional closet designers recommend matte or satin finishes over high gloss because they hide dust and fingerprints better, requiring less maintenance. For metal components like rods and hardware, choose powder-coated finishes that resist chipping and corrosion. Design Idea 9 is the color-coded organization system, supported by psychological research on visual processing. Studies from cognitive psychology show that color coding reduces search time by 70% and improves memory recall. Here's how to implement this in your wardrobe design. Organize hanging clothes by color within each category. Create a rainbow effect: whites, creams, pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, purples, browns, grays, and blacks. This system isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's functionally superior. Your brain processes color faster than it processes text or shape, so you'll locate items almost instantly. Many professional organizers report that clients who adopt color-coded systems maintain organization 85% better than those who don't. Let's explore some advanced wardrobe and closet design ideas that elevate functionality. Design Idea 10 is the walk-in closet island, considered the ultimate luxury in closet design. But it's not just about aesthetics. Islands serve multiple practical purposes. Closet islands typically measure 3 to 4 feet by 4 to 6 feet and provide centralized storage for folded items, accessories, and jewelry. The top surface becomes a staging area for outfit planning or a place to set down items while organizing. Research from luxury home builders shows that closets with islands increase home value by 5 to 8% and rank among the top 5 most desired features for home buyers. When designing your island, include a mix of drawers at varying depths, shallow drawers for jewelry and watches, medium drawers for accessories, and deeper drawers for bulkier items like sweaters. Consider adding felt or velvet lining to protect delicate items. The center of the island can house pull-out trays or even a retractable mirror. Design Idea 11 addresses smart storage for small spaces because not everyone has room for a walk-in closet. According to apartment living research, 60% of renters have closets smaller than 25 square feet. But small doesn't mean inefficient. For compact closets, embrace multifunctional furniture. Ottoman storage benches provide seating while hiding items inside. Slim hangers save up to 50% more space than traditional bulky hangers. Cascading hooks allow you to hang multiple items vertically, multiplying your hanging capacity. The back of your bedroom door can become valuable storage with over-the-door organizers designed for shoes, accessories, or even complete outfit planning. Underbed storage containers maximize unused space for seasonal items or less frequently worn pieces. Professional organizers recommend vacuum seal bags for bulky winter coats and bedding, reducing their volume by up to 75%. Design Idea 12 is the seasonal rotation system, a strategy used by fashion professionals and stylists worldwide. The concept is simple but powerful. Only keep current season clothing in your primary closet space. According to organizational research, this approach reduces daily decision fatigue by 40% and makes getting dressed 60% faster. Here's the implementation. Designate a separate storage area for off-season clothing. This could be underbed containers, a guest closet, or storage bins on high shelves. Twice a year during spring and fall, rotate your wardrobe. This ritual has added benefits. You'll rediscover forgotten pieces, identify items that no longer fit or suit your style, and keep your closet feeling fresh and manageable. Professional organizers suggest cleaning all items before storing them seasonally. Moths and other pests are attracted to body oils and residues, so proper cleaning prevents damage during storage. Use cedar blocks or lavender sachets as natural pest deterrents. They're proven effective and smell wonderful. Now that we've covered 12 powerful wardrobe and closet design ideas, let's discuss implementation. Budget considerations are crucial. According to home improvement research, custom closet systems range from $1,000 to $10,000 depending on size and materials. You don't need to implement everything at once. Start with high-impact, low-cost changes. Add a second hanging rod, install LED strip lights, invest in quality hangers, and implement color coding. These changes cost under $300 but deliver immediate results. As budget allows, upgrade to custom shelving, drawer systems, and advanced features. The DIY versus professional installation debate depends on your skills and timeline. Simple modifications like adding shelves, rods, or drawer organizers are excellent DIY projects. According to home improvement surveys, basic closet upgrades take 4 to 8 hours for the average DIYer. However, complex custom installations, particularly those involving precise measurements, custom cabinetry, or structural changes, benefit from professional expertise. Professional installers typically complete projects 50% faster and provide warranties on their work. If you choose the professional route, get at least 3 quotes and ask to see portfolio examples. Check reviews specifically mentioning project completion time and post-installation support. Maintenance strategies ensure your beautiful new closet system stays functional. Implement a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you add to your wardrobe, remove one item. This prevents accumulation and maintains balance. Schedule quarterly closet audits. Spend 30 minutes each season reviewing your wardrobe, removing items you no longer wear, and reorganizing as needed. This small time investment prevents the overwhelming chaos that requires complete overhauls. Finally, respect your closet's capacity. Even the best designed closet system fails if overloaded. Design experts recommend filling closets to only 75% capacity, leaving breathing room for your clothes and making items easier to access. There you have it. 12 research-backed wardrobe and closet design ideas that transform chaotic storage into organized bliss. Whether you're planning a complete custom closet renovation or implementing small closet organization hacks, these strategies maximize space, improve functionality, and simplify your daily routine. Ready to revolutionize your closet space? Start with one idea today. Don't forget to subscribe for more home organization and interior design tips, and drop a comment telling me which closet design idea you'll try first.